Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Today, we're going to teach you how to fix Windows 10 computer restarting after clicking Shutdown problem. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is open the Run command, press Windows key plus R key on your keyboard. Then type in regedit, then click the OK button. Select Yes on the prompt. Once the registry editor is opened, expand HKey local machine folder. Just click on the arrow button beside, then expand software. Next, find and expand Microsoft. This one. Then scroll down until you find Windows NT. This one, expand it. Then expand current version. Now search for WinLogon. Here it is. Click on it. Now on this side here, find Power Down after shutdown. Here it is. Right-click on it, then select Modify. Next, change it to 1. After that, click the OK button, then restart your computer, check if the issue has been resolved. If not, try the next solution. On the search bar, type in Troubleshoot. This is the best match. Click on it. On the right pane, search for power. So I'm just going to click on Additional Troubleshooters. Here it is, click on it, then click on Run the Troubleshoot button. Once done, close the window, then restart your computer. Check if the issue has been resolved. Another method to fix the issue is to click on the Start button. Then select Settings. On the Settings window, find and click on System. On the left pane, click on Power and Sleep. On the right pane, click on Additional Power Settings. A new window opens. So on this side, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Then click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck the box, turn on Fast Startup. Then click on Save Changes. Then restart your computer. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.